Good day to my lecturer and my fellow friends. My name is Vanishasrie of Thinagaran, matrix number 267578. I'll be presenting about classification of hotel business. First, what is a hotel? A hotel is a professionally run structure or institution that offers visitors a place to stay overnight, which is paid. The specific amenities and services offered to guests can differ significantly from one hotel to the next. The hotel industry is a branch of the hospitality industry that deals with guest lodging. The distinction between the hotel and hospitality industry is a common misunderstanding, with many people incorrectly thinking the two words apply to the same thing. Hotels has been separated according to its rating when it differs in price and services provided. As we can see here, there are 1-star rating, 2-star rating, 3-star rating, 4-star rating, and 5-star rating. A 1-star rating is a property which usually has no frills and only provides standard accommodation. It basically means that you will have a place to sleep for a night. A 2-star hotel is the same also like 1-star hotel. They are generally less expensive than higher rated hotels while still being very comfortable. The 3-star hotels are known for exclusive facilities and high quality services. 4-star hotels are known for their high-end service and luxurious accommodation. 5-star hotels offers flawless guest services. As 5-star hotel, it offers luxury dining options as well as personalized service to its guests. These hotels also offer high-end luxurious toiletries to their guests, ensuring that no detail is missed. Next, we will continue with hotel affiliations and ownership. They are divided into two parts. One is single or independent hotel owners. This is where they are not affiliated with any other properties in terms of ownership or management. A family-owned and run hotel that disobeys corporate guidelines and standards is an example of the same. The second one will be chain hotel owners, where affiliate operations are typically restricted by minimum requirements, laws, regulations, and procedures imposed by hotels that are part of a hotel chain or by these types of ownerships. In general, the more essential an organization is, the more power it has over individual assets. Hotels also varies with price, services, and also location. As we can see, these are the few lists of hotels that are available around. We can see hotels in hotel industry. A hotel is described as an establishment that provides overnight lodging, meals, and other services. They are mostly intended for visitors and travelers, but locals also can use them. Private rooms with an ensuite bathroom are available in most hotels. Next are inns. An inn is a place that offers temporary lodging as well as food and beverages. Inns are smaller than hotels and similar in size to bed and breakfast, while inns are usually bigger. Private rooms are assigned to guests and breakfast and dinner are generally available. The third one would be serviced apartments. Serviced apartments, they are popular between business travelers, which are apartment-style accommodation that provides a full range of services such as room service, housekeeping, and laundry. Motels are a form of overnight hospitality specifically designed for drivers. These are usually available at highways where they have plenty of free parking. Hostel is a form of low-cost accommodation where multiple guests share a living space and sleep in different beds with few room services available. The next one would be resorts. Resorts are commercial establishments that typically provide a hotel as well as a number of other on-site facilities and amenities. Usually, Guests would have access to lodgings, restaurants, bar, entertainment options, leisure events, and shops without having to leave the premises. Eco hotels is a hotel that taken concrete measure to embrace sustainable living practices in order to reduce the amount of environmental harms. Holiday cottage, often defined as vacation home, is an essential cottage or small house that is rented out for purpose of vacationing. Boutique hotels are hotels that are located inside a small buildings or are often marketed on the basis of prestige and comfort. Apartment hotels is a residential building that provides hotel-style facilities. In most cases, these hotels will also have their housekeeping facilities. Vacation ownership is the fastest growing segment of the travel and tourism industry. The right term for this is time sharing is vacation ownership. Vacation ownership is when someone buys the right to use a unit that is identical to a condominium. Airport hotels and suite hotels are the same, almost the same, whereby these hotels caters to international travelers, airline passengers with overnight layovers or postponed flights, and airline crews or employees. Some hotels provide free shuttle service from the airport to hotels. Conference and convention centers also offers hotels where meeting and conference hotels as well as overnight accommodations for meeting guests are provided with video conferencing, audiovisual equipment, business facilities, and flexible seating arrangements. Flip charts and other services are also available over there. Lastly is casino hotels. Casino hotels are accommodations that offers gambling. Despite the fact that the casino hotels food and beverages are filthy, lavish, they are subordinate to and sustain the casino operations. There are few level of services also provided by hotel business. There are three where world-class service, mid-range service, and also limited or budgeted service. World-class service, top business executives, entertainment celebrities, high-ranking political figures, and affluent clients are the main markets for these hotels, which are also known as luxury or five-star hotels. Mid-range service is the largest portion of the traveling public preference hotels that are mid-range or otherwise 3 or 4-star hotels. These hotels do not provide elaborate service or have sufficient staffing. They also offer informed service, room service, where Wi-Fi and food and beverages are available. Lastly, the third one will be limited or budgeted service. This accommodation provides guests with clean, comfortable, safe, and affordable rooms that satisfy their basic needs. That's all from me. Thank you.